Hey friends, do you see these bugs?
Come on, buddy.
This
I have
is...
one. Crawl right on.
And here's one on this
What?
hand right of my son.
Whoa.
And there are like
Don't worry. Keep crawling.
hundreds of them.
I'm
Thousands.
holding one, Mom. I got one.
Okay, here's...
Mom.
Alright,
I'm gonna put it back.
Hey,
Mom.
this Cicadas. And this is...
Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jenna.
What's up, Jen? Yeah. Here. A lot. Like a lot of them all over. Like here's some cracked shells already. Empty shells. Here.
Yeah, dude, there's so many. Oh, there's tons
here, over there. Ah! Sorry, I didn't want to scare anyone.
Look, there's some over there too.
A lot. They're like sitting on all trees, on the grass, flowers. There.
I mean, they don't get disturbed.
This is Cincinnati today.
Hey! Ow!
Boom. Okay. Here, a lot. Like, I've heard the ratio is like 1 million to per capita, means per person, per human. Might be true. Bye.